Alright, so we need to get going toward Lakeview. We got a long ways to go west and north yet. So there's actually, I want to come back here. I don't want to go to Plush because I can't do the wildlife refuge, so we will save Plush for then. And I'm afraid I will get off track and run out of gas then, because I want to keep going north if I can. Oh, there is diesel in Plush, it says. But yeah, we'll save that for another day. We are going to keep heading west toward Lakeview. And I need to find a spot to go to the bathroom. So Lakeview's in 33 miles. Oh gosh, when I stopped, I got that urge. I don't know why that is. When you're moving, you don't have the urge as much. So we're gonna look for a spot to pull over here. Along the road. So this will be Field Station to Lakeview. Or Adel, I'm not sure. We might make this a, you know what, we'll make this a new video. This is Adel to Lakeview. Oh, that was a good spot right there to pull. I should have pulled over. Yeah, the Adel, that little shop there, if it's open, it actually has snacks and goodies. They might even have fuel. Oh, there was fuel, but it was commercial. It said something I don't understand. Oh, I should have pulled over there. I'm worried about privacy, and I forget I could use the truck to pee behind. Yeah. So I need to come back to Heart Mountain, Christmas Valley, it looks like, and Diamond. Those are the three areas in this area I gotta come back and do next time I come down here. I mean, I got a good, solid day and a half of driving to get home, basically, if I work my way toward home. Wow, truck getting off of the line. I don't have a shoulder. This is, I thought this was a pretty scenic stretch of road. I've done it before. It was raining at the time, actually. Thunderstorm. There's a lot of traffic now. I wonder if all these people are going to Plush. Oh, that is cool. There's a waterfall right there. Wow. That is way neat. You don't see it from the other direction. That's why I like doing a road from each direction sometimes. You get a different perspective for sure. had cell service since Denio, Nevada. If I can get north of Klamath Falls, there's all kinds of dispersed camping along the highway. Might even be some campgrounds. I feel better. So this creek is actually pretty neat. There's a lot of water in it. And the bridge is old. It has stone underneath it supporting it along the creek. It's like but we are going to continue our journey to Lakeview and top off our tank of diesel before heading to Klamath Falls and the Crater Lake area. We're gonna get out of this heat and into the trees. I don't think we're gonna do the coast. See if I change. Well, we can still do the coast if we go to Crater Lake. We'll see how we feel. I don't have to clean out the back of the camper today. I could concentrate on getting it better, maybe. Wow, this was quite the trip. When I think back of all the gravel and dirt roads I went on, I see people do overland trips that don't do as much as I did on this trip. Very proud of what I did. Even though it's stressful at times, if you watched it all. I did it, and it made me stronger. I know what to expect. I think I know when to turn around more now. At least in this area. I am glad I have a Garmin though, so I can call for help if I needed to. I even have the search and rescue plan. You get deep into the backcountry like I did, you realize how sandy and dusty it is. And it's full of cattle, surprisingly. It's just amazing how cattle are everywhere. They live everywhere. I love it though. Those cows. Oh, I'd love to get to that cloud bank. That would be awesome. I feel like it's moving away from me though. Oh, it was pretty windy back there. I was getting pelted by dust when I walked back to the truck. So I've stayed at 2 state parks this trip, 1 hot springs campground, and let me think, and then 1 free dispersed campground, or camping area. And tonight I'm hoping to be free again. That would be awesome. This is the cutoff road for Plush. This is the road I was thinking about taking. So basically you could do a loop. You can go to Plush and come back this way. And we are 21 miles from Lakeview. No, I will be back here. I will come back next year for sure. This part of Oregon calls me every year, I feel. Because we don't have this in Washington. Like, Oregon is definitely more wild than Washington. that I'm off-roading and overlanding more, this is what I like. I don't like the RV lifestyle. I don't even like the travel trailer lifestyle. You are too constricted. Truck or van camping is where it's at. For one, you don't have to turn around and go back to a campground. That's the kicker. I literally can go. The only thing that determines where I go is fuel. That's it. And the weather. Not the campground. And it's a lot cheaper buying a truck or a van that you can use all the time than an RV or a travel trailer. God, I wish we would have got a van back in the day, kind of. But again, you couldn't find the vans because everyone was buying them back then. They were so expensive. Now with the high interest rates and economy, you see them all over for sale on the lots. But that's my spiel for that. I know I get off on a tangent sometimes. I won't talk about that anymore. So the drive from Lakeview to Klamath Falls isn't the greatest, I felt. I was kind of disappointed in it. But part of that was because the forest fire in the mountains to the north of it closed all access. And at the time, I was trying to find stuff like that. Now I just want to get to Klamath Falls, though. Let's see what time it is. They have a little ski area on this mountain here. Not very big. I think next time I come down here, I would go through Christmas Valley, Heart Mountain, and then go into Nevada, since I'm so close to Nevada. And skip Diamond. Diamond is kind of, I don't know if I'll make it back there, honestly. Kind of out of the way now at this point to go there. So I've used 10 gallons of fuel since I left Burns. So if I camp for free tonight, I will have only spent $115 basically on lodging for this trip. 5 nights. That's pretty good. That's why I love this. I spent $750 in 5 nights when I went to California. So $750 versus $115, like, it's a no-brainer. You can afford to do this when you're not staying in hotels. I have a 250-mile range. I'm tempted to try and go to Klamath Falls. They got more gas stations there. I might do that. I want to say it's like 90 miles maybe. Stop and eat my sandwich soon. So there's all kinds of there's a campground on both sides of the road here. They would be awesome. It's only noon though. And you're in the Ponderosa pine trees. You might have cell service here. You do. Actually, you have 2 bars. I think you have 2 bars, so that's pretty good. I'll have to remember that when I come back down. And it's 82 degrees here, so it's not terribly hot. So 82 degrees in Lakeview right now. So the bulk of the rain is pretty far north of me at this point. Just light showers in the south of me. Wow, so they cool down on Wednesday. They go from the mid 80s to low 60s. I just hope I can remember all these places. I think I can. Someone boondocking down there in their Class C RV. summit already. Summit crossing. Warner Pass, elevation 5,845 feet. Ski area will be coming up on the left. I see it. Oh my gosh, what is going on here? This is not good. Oh, they just came off the gravel road. That truck is dusty. Why? Yeah, there's a ski area. It has one lift. It looks like it's, unless there's more on the other side. It's called Warner Canyon Ski Area. I don't dare go around on this corner. I should have just pulled over there and ate my sandwich. That's a logger right there. He's got a grappling hook to pick up logs on that thing. Oh, I can't see enough to risk it. It's not very far to go down. I could probably do it now, but if a car came from the other direction, I'd have to slam on the brakes. That would not be good. Oh, that's a saw blade. He's cutting trees with that thing. Wow. Can't see. That wasn't bad. Car behind me with a trailer did the same thing. Leaving the Fremont Winnamia National Forest. I wonder what Winna means. It's got to be Native American. So you got Winnamia and Winnemucca. I wonder if it, yeah, means forest or something. I'll have to look that up.
address, place of entry. Please say the address.
Main Street, Klamath Falls, Oregon.
One moment. Okay, searching for Main Street, Klamath Falls, Oregon. I'm finding more than one match. Please select manually from the display.
So
Guidance will start now.
it's 100 miles to Klamath Falls. That guy's an
In
hour.
half a mile, turn left.
Like, passes me just for a half a mile? Wow. And I was going
In
the
1/3 of a mile, turn left to Fremont Highway.
Anyway, so it's 2 hours to Klamath Falls. This might work out perfect to go to the Crater Lake area and try and camp. Yeah, it was rain. I remember it was downpouring when I came through here last time.
Turn left to Fremont Highway.
All right, Lakeview, 6 miles. Klamath Falls, 102.
Proceed 4 miles on Fremont Highway.
Bend, 169. So we could make it to Klamath Falls easy. Yeah, I want to do that. Unless I don't think we, oh, we can go through town. I just don't remember there being good gas stations here. Got plenty of fuel. The only reason to stop here is if I get sidetracked. I want to go into the mountains to my north, but I don't think I do. Pretty sure I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Because that could, yeah, I'm not going to do that. I need to see some green. I know you guys want to see some green too, probably. RV park. There's a decent amount of people there. I do not remember seeing that before either. Oh, I remember stopping at this Sinclair and it was a zoo. And I think this was the best gas station in town. It's not even in town. You passed me just to go to the gas station? Something's wrong with that guy. Like, you have
In 1/3 of a mile, turn slight right to North J Street and then turn right.
Like, you didn't save any time at all.
Turn slight right to North J Street and then turn right.
We're gonna go through town.
Turn right to Missouri Avenue.
She's trying to make me avoid town. I'm onto her though. Done this before. There's another RV park. Entering Lakeview. Burger Queen looked good. It was really busy when I went by it before.
In 1/3 of a mile, turn right.
Oh, that's not an RV park. That's a trailer park.
In 1/4 of a mile, turn right to Oregon 140 West.
Got our Best Western here. And the gas station here, the Chevron, it basically, it was horrible for food. That's what I was looking for.
Turn right to Oregon 140 West.
It wasn't the gas pump I was worried about. I was trying to find a place to get good gas station food.
Proceed 90 miles on Klamath Falls Lakeview
I
Highway.
don't even think that one had diesel, actually. But this is Lakeview. That was Adel to Lakeview. Thanks for watching.